How to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Snapchat. And once you open up your Snapchat, you're gonna head over to your chat section and tap on the chat that from where you want to save picture. So for example, if I just scroll up on this chat and I want to save this picture right here, what I'm gonna do is first of all turn off the airplane mode off your phone. Just turn it on, and once your airplane mode is turned on, you can just tap on this, long press on it like this, and then click on download or save to camera roll. Long press on it like this, and then tap on save to camera roll. So doing this will not let them know that you've saved the picture to camera roll. And also what you could do is try to take a screenshot of it. So you could also take a screenshot of it, but it's probably gonna get them notified that you took a screenshot on Snapchat. That is the only way that you can save a picture on Snapchat without them knowing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.